Gloria be styling, why your haters wildin'? She be out here grinding, everything comes in timing. Click that button, subscribe, yeah. Catch this nice little vibe, yeah. Beautiful and blessed, she shine.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glory B. You already know I'm back with another video. Yeah. What was my old intro? Oh, the B stands for blessed, something like that. I be forgetting, child. I just do whatever. But anyway, so today, well, tonight, I was like, okay, I've been wearing wigs, frontals, whatever, and it's time to wash my hair. The last time y'all seen my hair was in my video where I got a perm, and that was, I think, last year in October or September, and I haven't had a perm since. So it's time to see what's going on under this wig, you know what I'm saying? I'm not getting a perm, not right now, not yet. I'm gonna wait, but I did want to take my hair down, see what's underneath, and like wash my hair because it's time. Okay, currently I have this deal going on in the back. I'm pretty sure y'all see that it is grown out, like grown out, like, so it's time to take this down. It's time to like wash this. Let me hurry up and take these down. I ain't gonna talk, I'm just speed up the video. So basically, this is the hair that be under wigs. I can't believe I be getting all this hair under that wig like that, child. And y'all, I hate I have a black background because it just totally like messes up everything. Let me scoot back a little, make that out. I don't know. But anyway, but yeah, this is all the hair that be under my wigs. So taking the braids down, this is how much hair I brushed out right here, which is not a lot. It's not a lot. Like, I can even see through it. Like, it's not a lot. Let me put that in the garbage because that's freaking disgusting. But so this is the hair, like I said, full view of it. So what I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna wash it because your girl needs to wash it. I'm gonna wash it and then I'm gonna blow dry it. I don't feel the need to show y'all me washing or blow drying it. So once I get done washing or blow drying it, I'll be back. So I'm back. I'm so tired, y'all. But anyway, so I finished blow drying it, and this is how it turned out. And this is why I go to a salon and then get them to wash it over and straighten it and stuff, because my hair is really, really thick for no reason. Like, so thick, so thick. So now that I've blow dried it, let's try to do a length check. Let's try. I don't know if we can. So from the back, let's see. Gather it. Like I said, I went and got my ends clipped last time I got a perm, so I don't even know how they look right now. Like, it's probably time for another clipping. So it's down here. Yeah. Down here, is it? Yeah. Down there. It's probably time for another clipping and stuff like that. I don't know. I can at least tell y'all what products I put in to moisturize it. I have several products. I have this product right here, which a lady personally makes this, and she actually prays over it and stuff like that. And I put this in my hair and it really does, like, you can't put too much though because it's kind of heavy, but it smells good. And like, whoa, what was that? It smells good and her hair looks lovely. So I've been putting this on my hair for years. Like, it's time for another bottle actually. Then I'll put this Brazilian keratin, this right here. I'll put that in my hair. And this Brazilian keratin is a serum ultra shine. I'll put that in there. And then I'll put which one is the difference? So I have two black castor oil ones. I've been using this one the most because it's hardly any in there, but it's extra dark. This one is extra dark, and this one is coconut black castor oil. The last two products, I have some coconut oil right here. I have this one, and then I have just the argan oil one. So I use these two as well to moisturize. So in all, I use a host of products to moisturize, but I mean, look at my hair. Like, can you blind me? So for this one, since the nozzle is like this, I just go in there and just put it in different areas. I don't part, I just spread it around in there. Make sure I get in areas. It's running down. Okay, then I use the argan oil one, and I do the same thing. And I take it and I just moisturize my scalp. Yes. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. Yes. I love it. So I just go through there and moisturize. Same for this side. Oh yes. You just go through and moisturize that. Okay. So with this product, I mostly just do this around my hairline. Yeah, my hairline is usually what gets the harsher treatment out of most of my hair. And like I said, this stuff is thick, so when I put it in there, I do not apply a lot because it's thick, y'all. It's thick. You can kind of see my hair being weighed down just a little bit from it. But I won't lie, when it says it's thick, I'm gonna moisturize. I mean, not moisturize, massage that area. Get blood flowing to it. Okay. Next, I'm gonna use some black castor oil Let me just go down the middle with that. Just go down the middle once again. Then put a little on my hand. And like I said, go down the middle with that. And then, oh, like I told y'all, these products be heavy, but I mean, they do some good because my hair is too thick not to be moisturized and get thorough. The last thing is this keratin serum. So I just squeeze an amount in my hand. This is for shine. It's lightweight too. It's so lightweight. So let me brush. Let me brush. Let me brush, brush, brush. Let me brush. Let me brush. So basically, this is it. That is how I moisturize. Turn it to the back so y'all can see. It is completely moisturized. Okay. So basically that's a hair update. When I get my ends clipped and stuff, I'll let you guys know. But y'all know how people be, they got long hair, they just, but anyway. So basically I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, it's, what time is it? It's 1:34. I'm gonna go to bed. But I'll see you guys later. Y'all be blessed and peace.
I'm rocking with Gloria B. Show me what I need to see. Tell me who I need to be. Show me the God that's in me. I'm rocking with Gloria B. Show me what I need to see.